So hey guys, this is Basant here and welcome back to SaaS Guru YouTube channel. So let's talk about this tool. The tool name is the Podia, and here you will find out detailed email marketing with the advanced designer, templates, newsletter, automations and the segmentation. And basically I'm going to talk about its email feature because this is what makes your dreams come true, because you are going to sell out your product using the one sales page and the email marketing. This is the email marketing section that I'm really excited to talk about. Okay, so this is the broadcast section where you can send out all of the emails as the broadcast one time and it will be sent it out. You can see this is the email I have sent out. If I give you the demo, this is the email I have sent it out. Let me go to the this is the email I have sent out as the broadcast, and basically this is about my email for the content marketing free guide here. And see, the email looks really good. So how you can do that? Basically you have to go to the here on the broadcast and start clicking on the new email here, and you can just design I will show you detail, but let me first talk about what are the inside. It will giving you, if you start sending your emails, it will show you how many opens your email it got, clicks it got, and what are the percentage. So for me, I got the around 12% open rate and 10% click through rate. That is the really easy. Now let me show you how you can create your first campaign. So simply click on the new email here, click on the new broadcast. So I will also show you how you can create the automated campaigns, and it will ask you the name, subject name, preview text, and these are all the templates you can use. These are the pre-designed templates you can use in the single click. All you need to just change their text, their format, everything. For example, this is the template I have used. If I click here, this is the template I have. So let me click on the apply template, and now it will be ready to customize. Simply I can just click on the template section here and I can start removing or adding the text. Simply that's how beautifully you can do that. And not only you can just create the broadcast email, you can also create the campaigns, and in the campaigns you can do the segmentation, you can do the automation. So let's click on the new campaign. It will ask you to select the campaign name, add your from name or the email address. You can, for example, you can see I am using the default email by the podia.com, but you can also add your custom domain for the email account here. This is the thing. Then this is the conditions, and this is the email. You can start designing, and here you can add the multiple email accounts at the automation, and boom, your campaign will be ready. So campaigning and the broadcasting process is really easy with the Podia platform. I don't have to go switch to different platforms like the Convertkit. Previously I was using the Convertkit to selling out or offering this PDF account to all of the interested people. But what the problem I am facing with the Convertkit, I have to use my own landing page. I have to create the subscription form. I have to create the different kind of the automations to this one thing. Okay, but with the Podia I have done one thing and everything will be on the automation. I have just created the landing page within the same platform. I have created the broadcast message for the sending out this email that is consisting the download page of this ebook. This is the thing I have done with the automation. I have added my product and boom, everything is ready. This is the power of the Podia platform, what I like most. Okay, so I have talked about the email, how you can design it and how you can do it with this section here. Now let me talk about this audience section, because this is the really good here. If you have the audience already available, but you can start gathering from the scratch, there's the also option available. But if you have the already list of the people, you can also import it here. For example, this is the Convertkit audience available here, so I have exported here and get back to the Podia. And if I click here on the new person, there is the option I will found to import. This is the import option I am talking about. If I click here, this is the import option. Let's click on the new import, and now it is showing me the tags if I want to add it. So let me add from the email from. Let's go to the prepare import, and there are the different features you can control while importing the people. Let's click on the upload CSV. Now it will ask you to this kind of the format to give you the idea. Let's click on the next. Here I need to locate. This is my Convertkit audience. Let's click on the open, and if I click on the next tab, this audience will be added. And because I have already added this audience, so I don't again want to do it, because it will just copy the every audience here. And after your audience is imported, this is the information it is going to show you. Okay, so platform. It's really easy to use, it's affordable. As the free user, I am getting so much features access that I am really surprised. Then this is the sales section. Basically it will show you how many sales, how many the money you have generated selling out your membership, courses, or your free products. Okay, so I hope you got this Podia platform detailed overview. I tried my best to cover all of its features and showing out how I am using it to getting the free emails or the lead generation for my this free PDF that I am offering. Okay, so that's all for today's video. And if I compare it with the Convertkit, I am feeling it much better compared to the Convertkit, because they are the lot of the efforts I have to do it for the putting out the automation. Although I have done it already, but I know the efforts and the time I have consumed to doing that. But in the Podia, I think you have to do around 30 minutes all the process, and your campaign is ready, whether you want to charge the money or offering it free. Okay, so that's all for free. If you want to try the Podia and get its free account, the link will be given in the description. You can also access its premium plans, and the pricing is really affordable, starting from the just $4 a month. And I think this is the cheapest plan I have ever seen on the planet for such features we are playing around in the single hood. So that's all for today's video. If you want to check out the deal, the link will be given in the description, and I will see you in the next video with many more amazing insight and the SaaS updates. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.